Okie doke. I've swapped to the yellow thread from the subscription thread pack 1, and I've threaded my machine up with a jersey needle. Important. Now we're going to talk about stretch stitch. If I bring my camera over, here we go. Now the stretch stitch on my machine is number 18. Can you see it looks like a lightning? It does a few stitches forward, then it goes back on itself and makes this zigzag, so that when the fabric is stretched, there's enough stitches there to concertina open like an accordion and not break the thread, basically. But if you don't have a stretch stitch, what you want to use is a zigzag. You'll be perfectly happy with a zigzag. So for mine, I'm actually going to dial up stitch 18 because that's the one I need. Whoops. And we're going to come back to the work area with the camera. Brilliant. Oh, nice finger for you there, lovely. Right, so we're going to make the straps first. It's very easy. This lycra that you've got has a glittery side. Oh, let's let it focus. I think you can see that. And it has a duller side. So if I put that under the machine light, you can definitely see a shimmer there. So the shimmer is the right side. So we're going to fold this rectangle right sides, the shimmery sides together, like so. And this is the edge that we're going to sew with our stretch stitch. So just positioning that under the machine and put the needle down. Oops, do it manually, there we go. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull these threads out the back just to gently tease it through. Once it's running, you don't need to keep pulling that thread. The machine should do the work for you. Now I'm just making slight adjustments to mine as it goes through. Because it's starting to curl, which is absolutely fine. And all the way through to the end. So we're going to remove that strap and we're going to turn it inside out. So you can see the stretch stitch there. And look, when you pull it, it doesn't snap the thread. Isn't that amazing? So what we're going to do now is we're going to turn this out the right way. Remember, you've got to do this twice, so I would probably just sew both of them and then turn both of them. Because it's a stretch fabric, turning is a little bit easier. You can manipulate it and really get your fingers in there. When you get to the point when you can't tease it out any further, I like to use the non-business end of a knitting needle. I say non-business end because you don't want to pierce the fabric, and just run that through there gently. It will come eventually. There we go. You ready for this? Oops. Pop. And there we have our strap. So we're going to remove the knitting needle, and you'll notice as we move it round, there's your seam. When we come to sew it into the Woodland Fairy dress, we're going to have that seam in the centre on the inside of the strap. So your strap is going to go like that. So make 2 of those and we will make the bodice.